This is how to fix your trading psychology. As traders, it's obvious that we go through a whole lot of emotional and psychological turmoil. I mean, it's not easy to be on this roller coaster of emotions, It's a whole lot. And for what it is, it's no news that we all know that what controls the market is fear and greed. So imagine being on edge all the time at either fear or greed part. It can be draining. I'm not gonna lie. In fact, I myself have been through all of this, and I'm still going through all of it. So I know it is not easy at all. And the worst of all, right? The worst of all is when you have a back to back loss. So let's say you're having a bad week. You've taken 3 trades, 4 trades, and you have lost 4 of them back to back. That is the worst. That is the one that messes up with psychology like crazily. Like, oh my word, I don't even wish my worst enemy to be in that situation. It messes up with trading psychology, and it can be so crazy. And I've had a lot of people. So because of I'm a community leader, I get to meet a lot of people every day. I've had a lot of traders DM me, and they'll be like, bro, how do you do it? How do you come back? Like yesterday, FOMC was going so well. Like the market was dumping, and all of a sudden, I slept off and I woke up to loss. I woke up to loss, and I'm like, oh my god, damn. And one of my trade that was on as you can see on the screen here, I was on a 94% profit, and you can see it on the screen, and I woke up to -3%, and I'm like, what? Because I got so comfortable, I slept off. And that's another stuff when it comes to psychology, right? But today I want to focus more on trading psychology when it comes to losses back to back, right? So I slept off, and I woke up and I'm seeing -3%. Oh my god, I was like, damn, I got too comfortable. Normal me, I could have taken 70% profit at 94%, then adjusted my stop loss to break even. But then I got too comfortable. I was like, damn, yeah, I'm gonna overconfidence. So you see, it even happens to the best of us. And while on that trade, I was on that long for a while, and it just hit the stop loss I put, and I lost $750. That'd be $730. Yeah, $730. So you see, so now imagine I take my next trade and I lose. I take my next trade and I lose. You see, it can be crazy. Even to the best of the best, it messes with your head, right? So in this video, I believe you can relate to these stuff. Probably I've gone through 1 or 2 of these experiences, or even more, right? So in this video, I'll be telling you how to, and showing you how to fix your trading psychology. Okay, I just have a little guideline in my front here because I don't want to talk too much, and I don't want this video to be too lengthy. Okay, so I'll be telling you how to fix your trading psychology, especially after some losses. Okay, yeah, because if it's loss, you must experience losses in this market, must. But what makes you a profitable trader is that your wins are way more than your losses. And please be honest with yourself. There's no shame in not being profitable yet. It's a journey. It's a journey. There's no shame in not being profitable yet. That you're not profitable today doesn't mean you're not going to be profitable. Okay, so the first thing first is have a trading plan. So trading plan is going to help fix your psychology. Okay, so no matter the outcome, just have a trading plan. And what is this trading plan? You need to always define your entry, your exit, your stop loss, and the risks per trade before entering. Okay, so most of you, for those of you in the community, in my Telegram channel or my Twitter where I post signals, right, you know that I always post entry this price, stop loss this price, take profit this price, leverage this amount of leverage, and I'm then like, if you hit stop loss, you're gonna lose 30% of your margin. So that tells you that, oh, I have a $10,000 account, but I don't want to lose $3,000 on this trade just in case of this trade goes sideways. So I'm willing to lose let's say $30. So automatically you know that if you're taking that trade, you're going to take that trade with just $100, and you see you have peace of mind. When that trade hits stop loss, for instance, you come back to your $10,000 account and you're seeing minus $10, minus $30 on your $10,000 account. You have $9,970 on it. Your trading psychology will be intact. You'll be like, it's just $30, you know. And you have confidence to take the next trade, because now you're not over leveraging, you are not also over investing, and you have everything defined for you. Okay, so that will help fix your trading psychology. The next one, still same thing I said, the risk management, right? So all this stuff I just mentioned or revolves around risk management. So once you are not over investing, trust me, your psychology will be cool. Once you are not over investing, your psychology will be cool. Okay, and there's something I advise traders. I said it in my last video, and I will still tell you, right? Please, I think, especially when you know that deep there are not profitable yet, please have a job. Having a job, whether a Web3 job or a 9 to 5, a regular 9 to 5 or something, but have another business on the side or a job on the side that gives you money. You know why? So that during your losses days and all that, you know that there's this peace and confidence that comes with you know that even if you lose it all today, you have something to fall back to. There's this kind of peace it gives you, and it gives you clarity, and you don't go into the market making a lot of mistakes, unlike someone that does not have job, or something like that you get. So another important thing is, please make sure you journal your trade. Always have a record, because this record is very helpful, right? Why I'd say it's helpful is because of you are not lying to yourself. Oh, I made it 30% today, boom. Oh, I lost it 50% today, whoa. When you record all this stuff, so this helps. Okay, it helps to know your progress and your decline, and it helps you adjust. And there's something I do personally also, which is I'm a very calm person inside of me. I'm a very calm person. I don't easily get agitated or excited or whatever, either positive or negative, right? Feelings, I don't easily get that. So one thing that always keeps me in check is this. I saw this post one day on my how will I call it? He's my guy, but he's also a chairman now. I chairman in B2. So anyway, no need of mentioning his name, but he said something on this post. He's like, never get too attached to your success. But me, I redefine it, and I'm like, never get attached to your success or failure. Well, Allah wallahi, if I make $1 million now, honestly, I'll be very calm. You'll not even know. And if I lose $1 million now, I'll be very calm. You will not even know. So let's say I lose 10k, 20k, 30k. The same way I will show up and walk, right? That's the same way I will show up if I win a 10k, 20k, 30k, any amount. So that helps. So immediately you detach yourself from your success or failures, but you are in love with the process. That is what I do. I'm in love with my process, my trading journey. I'm in love with it. So whether success comes today, boom. Whether failure comes today, boom. We keep moving. We keep moving. Success or failure. So those of you in the community, though by the grace of God now we win more than we lose. Like, in fact, it has been like that for some years now. We are winning more than we lose. But on the days we take losses, there was one time I had a very terrible bad week. People were dragging me left, right. They don't know the person they are dragging. Me, I don't care. Not that I don't care that you lost money. No, of course I do care that, oh my word, my community members, they lost some money today. But anyways, they have been winning since now, so it's my consolation, right? But aside from that, I don't care about the dragging or whatever. I don't care. I did not come here to impress you now. if at all, I came here to impact in people, and by God's grace I'm impacting people, and that is just what matters, right? So for you to even drag me, I'm happy, because there was a time that I had nobody dragging me. I had nobody giving me attention. But right now I got your attention. You that watched this video to this level, I got your attention. and I'm happy and I'm grateful. So whether you drop a positive or negative comment, I still see it as I don't get attached to, you know. So that is how it is too in trading. Do not get attached to your wins or success, or rather losses, but fall in love with the process. And trust me, it's going to reshaping and rewire your psychology. Trust me, I don't think any other crypto YouTuber have seen something like this before. I don't think so, because this is my process. This is like, this one came from within. But anyway, so that's what it is. Okay, so okay, yeah, I also wrote it down here. It's detach from money. Okay, just detach from it, honestly. So that is why in my date, for those of you that know me one-on-one, like personally in real life, right, I will never treat you differently because you have money or you don't have money. I will never treat you differently, and I don't expect you to treat me differently because of money or not. You know why? Because the job I do, this trading stuff, it's taught me to detach myself from money. Detach, like, bro, it's just numbers for what it is. you when you are trading, you are following whale alert, you see something like 1 billion USDT was just minted as USD treasury. 1 billion, 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion minted. I'm not even here to start asking who is regulating this minting, how do they do it, what is the backup for these minted funds and all that. But what I just know is that it's just a game of numbers, bro. There are people that have the power to mint this stuff out. So why kill yourself over something that some other people have the power to, like at the beck and call? Why? So you see how I see it, right? So now all I'm trying to do, working hard to do, is so that I'm trying to work hard to make sure that one day, inshallah, I will be at that position whereby I can also control a whole lot of numbers and maybe mint and unmint. So yeah, so when you think like this, honestly, your psychology will be key. You just like me, like you can see, I lost a trade yesterday, and I am here happily making a video. Not that, but I'm not too attached to it, Jari. So anyways, another thing, this brings me to make sure you accept losses, right? Losses are part of the game, Losses are part of the game. Just like me, like I said, I don't get too attached to stuff. And this also helps me, not just in trading psychology, but in my offline businesses. If I have a loss, there's some time, so one time I wanted to buy a land, right, somewhere, and my daddy is like, what if this land is a scam land or something? And I'm like, do you know the business I do? Do you know what I do to actually get money, daddy? I take a whole lot of risks, and sometimes I make huge losses. This land now, if they convert it to dollars, how much is it? Or you tell me, have I not been liquidated before in my life? Like way more than this amount. And that's the truth, I have been. So you see, now it now shapes my psychology, not just in trading but in offline businesses. I take risks, and just like there's a property I got on sometime December, and it was very risky. My friend just told me something. I was like, oh no problem, I'm gonna buy. I just bought it. It's a land. I bought it, and bro, from that time till now, that land has done an ROI of $6,000 something in less than how many months? And that's good ROI, and it's still a developing place. So imagine what is going to happen like in coming months. And my regret is that, I wish I risked more. Why didn't I buy like 4 or 5 plots or 6 or more? So it's gonna change your psychology if you can be able to, like, trading is going to change your psychology, but you have to first, learn to accept losses. And when you have learned that, if this is what it's going to take, if this is loss is what it's going to take to make a $10,000, I'm willing to give this and make this and take this risk, and if I lose this money, I will accept it. And honestly, you're going to be at peace. Okay, so don't over invest, and always believe that, in fact, let me put it this way, always have it in mind before you take a trade. Ask yourself, the worst is, or tell yourself, the worst is going to happen. So if the worst is going to happen, which is losing, right, what are you willing to lose? You never overinvest, or you never put money that will trouble you. Honestly, you never put money that will trouble you, and I think that's the best way. There's something I tell my friends when we are discussing, and I'm like, I think I am the most optimistic but pessimistic human being I've ever met or have known. Now, let me buttress this a bit. Now, I can be so optimistic, or be like, Omo. I like, for instance, now as I day like this now, I believe, say, let me use English. So I believe that me and you can push down a big mountain. I just believe it that we can do that. If both of us keep applying strength. But I feel that, okay, maybe it's just going to take some time, maybe some years or something, but it's possible. You feel me? That is me being very optimistic. Now, I am very pessimistic in the sense that before we embark on that journey, I'll be like, hey, no, hi, my back will pain me very well. Oh my God, I'll be very hungry at that place. Oh my God, I might have headache. Maybe snake might bite us. Maybe scorpion might sting us. Now, that is my pessimism. And do you know what that does for me? Because if I know I'll have backache, I'm going to come there with a physiotherapist. Because if I know that maybe snake might sting me, or rather snake might bite me, I will come there with an anti-snake venom. Because if I know that scorpion might sting me, I will come there with pain relief, come there with maybe a scorpion repellent if they have something like that. Because if I know that I'll be very hungry, I will come there with a chef and maybe a whole kitchen. Now, I always tell people, right, pessimism helps you block all that is. If you have a pessimistic mindset and you're a smart guy and you're optimistic, it will help you pessimism will help you find out every loophole and you block all of them. Then optimism will make you move irrespective of the fact that you know that this might go wrong. But mind you, are now moving via calculations. You are now moving via a calculated risk, because pessimism have helped you find out what might go wrong. You have blocked those things that might go wrong. You have taken precaution and you move. Makes sense, yeah? So that is what it is. So make sure you also apply that mindset in trading. What is the worst that can happen? The worst that can happen is that if I liquidate this $1,000, yes, I know that my job, the job I am on, by next month they'll give me $1,000. They'll pay me $1,000 or $2,000. So yeah, even if I take this risk, it doesn't go well, I will be liquidated. I will go hungry for 1 week. Yes, I can enjoy it. Then the upper week, I will get paid the $2,000, and I'm back active. Makes sense. So you see, you have not calculated it. But I know if I enter this trade, I lose all this money. Oh my God, my own is finished. My mother is even in the hospital. Then how dare you take that trade? How dare you invest that money? So please, I hope you are learning something here. So all these are going to help you in your market psychology. Another dangerous thing that you need to avoid is, please, I beg you, never revenge trade. I know it's tempting. I just lost money on a 20x leverage. Let me revenge with 50x so that I'll get it back immediately. Please don't. At that time, you are not doing things with clarity and it will mess you up. Okay? Then set daily goals. Right? Set daily goals. These daily goals can be, I will do this. Let's say, for instance, for some of you that follow my lifestyle up, before. Oh my God, I just remember that shit. So I used to go to the gym back to back. But I had two surgeries last 2 months. So I cannot go to the gym. I need about 12 weeks to heal. But personally, I want to give myself, let's say, extra 2 months after the 12 weeks recommended by the doctor. I want to give myself extra 2 months, added to the 12 weeks. That's 5 months post-op before I start working out again. Okay, so for some of you that follow my lifestyle, me up, you know that I always work out and all that. Yeah, so those daily goals, they help. When you achieve it, you go to the gym, you come back, there's this feeling that you have achieved something today. Gives you the right, or makes you more mentally balanced, let me put it like that. Okay, then when you're approaching the market with that clarity and all that, bro, and even if you approach the market and with that same clarity and something goes wrong, tomorrow you'll not be overweighed or weighed down by the next day. You are back at the gym, or you're back doing another, or you're back achieving another goal you set out. Then when you're coming back again, you're coming back with a clearer mindset, and you're good to go. So that keeps you in check. Okay. Then another thing that is this advice I don't want to sound, I hate sounding hypocritical. I hope sounding hypocritical, right? Or but then not to sound hypocritical, right? Is it hypocritical? Yeah, hypocrite, yeah, hypocritical. So not to sound hypocritical, right? Limit screen time. But personally I don't. So but you limit screen time. The reason why I don't is because of I serve a community, right? Just like now I'm shooting video, I'm looking at the screen, but then that is not what this particular screen time in this context means. It means screen time on the chat. Me, why I look at the chat most times is to follow up, because when I drop a trade or a signal or signals, I follow it up so that I can be able to tell people, oh, right now take profit, oh, right now adjust, oh, right now this market trend has changed, oh my god, you need to do this, you need to do that, because I am a community leader, right? Does it have a toll on me? Maybe, but then I'm used to it. But then as a normal trader, please make sure you limit screen time. Okay, limiting screen time is going to make you you will not overwork yourself. You will not be tempted to want to over invest. Just like me, I'm used to it. So I trade mostly BTC. I said this, I've said this many times, that I trade mainly BTC, right? But yesterday in one of my videos I mentioned something like that, and one guy was like, you are dropping other coins but you are trading only BTC. I'm like, bro, relax. It's hypocritical for me to trade everything I drop. I will never do that. I'm dropping other coins because I am serving the public. I am serving Dream Chasers community. Oh yeah, but so that people can have a variety of what they want to do. Some people are more comfortable trading altcoins. Some people are way more comfortable trading just Bitcoin. Some people are way comfortable trading just ETH and all that. I have to drop all this because I'm serving the community. But bro, I will not trade all of that. So I don't know if me being sincere or honest is a problem for you, but then bro, it is what it is, because I can never encourage over trading. And now that is what being on the screen time, or being on the screen way too much might do to you. It took me a while to get used to. I know this trade will boom, but I will not take it because I'm disciplined. I'm focused on just that BTC trade I like trading. Then once in a blue moon I trade altcoin. You feel me? That's my discipline. So I drop a lot of trades, it boom 100%, 200%. Oh my word, man. But some I will not. Okay, yesterday I did a 5 altcoins trade on YouTube, right? And I slept, woke up, all those coins have hit stop loss. Boom, stop loss. Okay, imagine I had taken that loss on BTC and I was on those 5 altcoins. Won't it mess me up? It will mess me up. You see? But maybe for the past 10 days, 20 days, it has been going well. Then one day, boom, everything might go down crashing. And if care is not taken, my risk management is not correct on it, I might get totally messed up. So I don't know if me being honest is a problem, but bro, I just got to be honest with you. So do same thing. Don't over trade, don't over invest, and limit your screen time to discipline yourself. Because one thing, especially for those of you that know how to analyze, bro, you'll be feeling like a prophet. You'll be feeling as if you're on top of the world. You know why? Because you already know how to print this money. You already know confirmations. You already know chart patterns. The chart is speaking to you. Come to me, my son. Come and take advantage of me. So please limit screen time. So it's going to help you, and it's going to fix your psychology, because it will not be fun the day you take 10 trades and all of them hit stop loss. You say, okay, no Alan, just one time. You try again and it happens. Hey, bro, it's not going to be fun. It's not going to be fun. Honestly, it's going to mess your psychology up. So please do not dare do that, okay? Do not dare do that. And okay, so another thing is please try as much as possible to have both, I've mentioned it, have a goal, but now trading goal have a long-term and short-term goal. I'm going to achieve this with this trading plan and all that. And when you hit it, good, you mark it. When you don't hit it, oh, what are the mistakes? What are the things I did here? Blah 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 blah, and adjust. And I think all this helps to preserve your trading psychology. Okay, and okay, let's say the last but not the least. Remember, I always say this: trading is a marathon and not a sprint. I'm going to repeat it again. Trading is a marathon and not a sprint. So please make sure that you approach trading like that. Do not over invest to want to make the whole money in a day. I mean to say, before you were born, the forex market, stock market was there. When you leave this world, forex and market and stock market will be there. So why do you want to make everything in a day? The financial market is over trillions of dollars in market cap. Crypto is billions of dollars already in market cap. Forex is trillions. My brother, come there every day, make your small money and go now. Don't come and want to, be greedy and to take advantage of everything and then get yourself messed up. Okay, so anyways, these are some of the few tips I feel that can be able to help you adjust your trading psychology and make you have a better trading psychology. If you found any of these tips helpful, drop a comment in the comment section. Okay, and don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on post notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. Bye, and see you in the next video.